So what's up guys, welcome to the first FOMC live stream. Let me put on here the trading view. Right here. Let's see the chart. So there we go. You guys can hear us well? Everything is good? Everything should be fine. Hello guys, how are you guys doing? Yes, 20 minutes. Let's get some type in the chat guys. You can hear us all. Everything is good with the stream. Perfect. Let's get into business right away. Nothing changed much. Komple Red Bull mu bu?
Evet.
Hepsini döktün.
Bardak büyük olduğu için.
Heh, tamam. So let's get right into business. Fed rates. FOMC daha büyük yapma. FOMC daha büyük yapma sanırım. Yeah, it's a bit. Yeah, on the side we do the thumbnail also. Def K, give best trades. Bro, we'll try the best. Just relax.
Should I add something here, brother?
Yeah, just make it a bit bigger, bro, and put in another one.
Bigger?
Put in another one with XAUUSD, maybe. I think that would be perfect. Even bigger, yeah. Even bigger if you can do it. And maybe put Paul's face also in.
Okay, man, let's go. Then
and right now below XAUUSD, but in smaller, you know. If you can do that, that would be perfect. Maybe even 100.
Okay,
yeah,
I'll figure it
I'm
out.
here for full margin. That's amazing, brother. I hope it goes well for you. Full margin is the best strategy as always. So let's do some marking really quick. So we have to plan ahead, guys. So as we were anticipating, we didn't move much before an FOMC, and this happens usually. You won't get the crazy moves before FOMC. The sell played out really nice, to be honest, and also the buy. If we would have been here on the stream, this would have been a bit risky, but we would have taken the buy right here probably, and we would have hit the 1 to 2 almost perfectly. And here it would be even a 1 to 3. So yeah, but it is what it is. We didn't take it, so it's all good. We closed the stream at that point already. So yeah, we have this marked zones already, but let's look for some other zones. Just to the key here is, guys, that we mark in advance, so we are not surprised by any movements of the market, you know. So that's the key.
Gold or also NASDAQ?
Gold is fine. XAUUSD is completely fine, bro.
So
yeah, make it maybe a bit bigger. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, Hamza is our tech guy here. He's doing the thumbnail on the side. We're just changing the thumbnail really quick. Yeah, what a talent. A man with many skills, with lots of capabilities. That's a brother that you would like to have. Yeah. Hamza, ready for John Wick move? No, we want the opposite, bro. We don't want to be John Wick. Ideally, I mean, we can be John Wick, but we want to be John Wick on the side where it goes in the right direction. So let's say, to understand this, guys, if you take a sell over here, you become John Wick. You become John Wick over here. But we want that the other way around. We want to be John Wick like this, you know? So yeah. Anyways, let me put on some
Is it a good picture or should I take another one?
yeah, maybe
Like this or something?
if you find the transparent one, yeah, I think that one looks even better, bro.
That?
Yeah, but there are also these memes. You type in Paul meme picture or something, like where he's like looking mean or something, you know. Type in Paul devil oder Paul evil oder sowas. Aha, yeah, that one.
Nice. Guys, tell me that your thoughts then on the thumbnail.
12 minutes for FOMC. Yeah, bro, that's very true. Yeah, that looks perfect. Maybe make it a bit bigger. As big as you can do it. Yeah, subscribe, you can pull it a bit down maybe. Oh, nice. Now the Funded Brothers thing. Perfect, bro. Yeah, man. Hamza is a tech machine over here. We have a machine over here. Yeah, a man of many capabilities, as I would like to say. So, anyways, guys, let's now pay attention over here. We have this supply right here. Yeah? We have this supply over here. And I would like to mark a couple more zones because we don't know what's gonna happen. Price can do a whipsaw move, you know, and we want to be prepared for that. And the only way we can be prepared for that is by marking the supply and demand zones in advance, you know. So let me put on this zone right here. Actually, let's leave it in green so we can identify it from the imbalances. Give me advice. I know how to trade, but I take others' trades on Telegram, Discord on lost accounts. And lose accounts till now, zero payout.
Bro, headset lassen wir
Or is now we don't need it, bro. Yeah. Are you guys hearing the music or not? But bro, okay, the advice I can give you, for sure is
music.
I'm gonna handle that really quick. Just give me a moment, this OBS thing. Yeah, now you guys should hear the music. But anyways, DevK, man, just try to be disciplined, man. Don't rush into the trades. Don't trust people so much, you know. Don't just take the trades blindly, my man. Like, don't do it, you know. We are not... just because we are profitable traders doesn't mean that we will win every single trade. So you have to understand that. You know, understand that we're not gonna win every single trade and risk accordingly to that, you know. Bu zaten thumbnail'i yaptık. Şey yap. Geri tak headset'i, yoksa müzik olmuyor.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that is an advice that I can give you guys. Risk management is key, man. Risk management is really key. Just because you have a win streak doesn't also mean that you will not lose trades. You always lose trades. When you get into a position, think about the worst case scenario. If you think about the worst case scenario, then you will always adapt in the markets. You will adapt in the markets, and you will have a better risk management, you know. So this is key in the markets, man. This is key in the markets. As long as you have your risk management in place, I don't think that there is much you can do wrong. As long as you follow your plan and all of it, I think. Yeah, this is like a good tip that I can give you guys. Manage risk, most important. We win by RR. Exactly, Leonardo. We have an experienced man over here. Sen en iyisin. No, bro. We're not the best. We're striving to be as good as we can get, you know.
Hello guys, hello from me too. Check the thumbnail and give me your thoughts on that thumbnail, guys. Perfect sound, thank you. Now music is on. Good evening. Hello, hello. Beautiful. Thumbnail trash. Thank you, man. Just made the thumbnail in a few minutes. We were actually in a hurry before, because I had to get some things done. Looks like robot doing trades. Nice, man. Looks good, stoic, nice. Rough crew, no FOMO, no revenge trading. Keep yourself accountable. You are here to make money, not place trades. Apes together strong. Yes, man. You are definitely on the right path, my friend. That's the way to go. Because we were... look, guys. I mean... we are now like, this is I think the 7th stream. If you like don't count the FOMC one, it's the 7th stream, and we had only one trade in all of those streams. So we were disciplined for so long. Why should we just like ape into positions, you know? So as Rough Crew said, we are going to take only good setups that fit our plan, and also we have a really unique approach for FOMC. You will see that, but I think our likes are way too low, guys, for the stream right now. The likes should go at least to 20, man. At least to 20. We are at 11. Give some likes. I guess some guys forgot to smash a like button. Nice, going up. Let's go. So
just to remind you guys, we are prepared for everything. So that's why we will have both options here in place.
Mm-hmm. Post news, could there be a good entry? I've never traded in FOMC. Okay, Vector fan, my guy. If you did not trade FOMC, if it's the first time, then please don't try to gamble. It's not easy, but yes, after the news there are a lot of opportunities with FOMC. And we have 3 minutes exactly, Leonardo. Hamza, hey guys, thank you. Hello Hamza, how are you doing? A lot of Hamzas here on stream actually. That's really nice to see.
Yeah, are you still in the cells? No, we're not. We didn't take the cells. Post news could be there an entry. I've not. Yeah, exactly. 3 minutes for FOMC. No risk 1%. Exactly. 3 minutes, guys. Just so you know, we're not gambling the news right here. We're not gonna do buy stops, sell stops, or whatever it might be. Let's get the likes up to 30, guys. Come on, we have to. We did this stream in anticipation that we would maybe even break our own record, you know. So maybe we can get even to 100 viewers today or something. I think that's possible for an FOMC stream. Not many people streaming. We're taking here the time from our free time with our family. Drop them likes, guys. It doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't cost you anything. Drop them likes so you motivate us to gamble on here. Let's go.
Yes, exactly, Billy. Drop them likes. Yes, Vector fan, likes, guys, is free. Thank you for your support, guys. We really appreciate it. And we also talked with Kadir. We are really like kind of noting the guys that are constantly supporting us, always like active on the stream and stuff like that. And we'll really make sure you have something from this supporting us, you know.
Exactly, we thought also about this. So if we see guys continuously like supporting us, we will eventually reward some of you guys.
Oh wow, guys, I think this is actually a sign. Just now I received from Funding Pips that my withdrawal is getting processed, my profit split.
Yeah, that's amazing, bro. So support us. Eventually we will also reward some of you guys. If I see some guys sticking around like for a couple months and we see really like your guys are pushing us, you know, some of you might get even a one-on-one coaching for free maybe, you know. So you might get a session for free. So keep supporting us and you'll get rewarded for that. Let's get the likes up to 30. We're about to get the drop or the pump, whatever it might be. Probably
the news now, yes, drop.
A pump. Oh, what? Let's see. Let's
go on the 1 minute.
Let's get some excitement, man. Exactly. Let's pull up the 1 minute, man.
Now
buy, sell. Let's go.
Respecting this demand from the session.
Are we in buys or in sells, guys? Let's go. Let's gamble a little bit. No, I'm just joking. Anybody? So now we will go over, just to calm you guys down, we will go over the strategy bit by bit, how we approach FOMC. As of now, we didn't take any positions just yet. Yeah, we didn't take any positions. Yeah, exactly. That's the strategy. That's the strategy, Nadim. We can take one buy and one sell. And the idea with that is that one of them eventually will win. So you are hedging in that case. And once you're hedging, the beauty of that is one may go 100 pips, you close that one, and then you just pray for the other one to pull back. And if it pulls back, you make the money, and that's perfect, you know. So, but what I find weird is the first candle was just 70 pips, bro. What's that? It's a really small move. Let's check the rates, Hamza. Let's pull up the Forex Factory. Let's check the rates really quick.
And yes, they are the same.
Yeah,
they are the same.
5.5%. It stayed the same, so that would be pretty interesting for the market. Let's see how the market will react.
So in 30 minutes we have the press conference, guys, and usually that's the time where we get the easiest setups. And also, man, I just love Paul, man. He never surprises me. He's just so nice to us traders. So now, guys, just to let you guys know what we are looking for, and just to make a little bit further analysis on what we already had from the session before. We drew this demand area during the New York session, and price respected that one actually, and just moving now 100 pips already. So that's pretty nice.
Let's go. Let's see some guys who took that buy, guys. We had it marked in advance. Who took that quick buy scalp? Let's get some W's. No, I'm joking. Yeah, interest rate same. Allahu Akbar. Yeah, that's true. God is great. God is very great. So that's very true.
Yeah, didn't move anything. Yeah, I mean normally it's with the first candle at least, like with the first 1 minute at least 100. Liam Data took the buy scalp 1 to 4. Really nice.
Amazing, bro.
I hope you didn't get slipped, but yeah, nice.
But guys, just I mean, I'm joking here and there, of course. At this point, you guys know already how we
how we roll.
How we roll over here. Like, I'm joking, but we didn't take anything, of course. Like, we're not here to gamble, but we're about to get a position maybe. So get the likes up, man. What's up with that, man? Let's get the likes up to 30, 40 at least. What's this? Rolling like a gangster. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I don't know about the gangsters, but we're definitely robbing gold over here. So we might be considered as gangsters over here. So I don't know, robbing the prop firms, robbing gold, whatever you might call it, but all in a halal way. So we do it in a halal way. So yeah. I'm in long in NAS. Oh wow, yeah, that's very good actually. Good that you said that, brilliant. Let me just check NAS really quick, bro.
And if there's something interesting, we can pull up the chart and do some analysis.
Exactly. I was even considering, I don't know where NAS is at, but I was considering taking a long before FOMC, but I didn't want to risk it because we had like a 15-minute engulfing, I remember. Oh wow, yeah. Oh yeah, it just continued actually. No wick whatsoever, Hamza. From that entry that I was telling you, it literally just
checking. Oh wow,
pushing at
nice.
this point. It's flying.
Nice, really nice.
Oh wow, look at that.
Because we were looking to buy from here after the stream.
After this 15-minute engulfing,
here
we were considering buys, and it hit the 1 to 3 already, I think, or something. 100 points, but that's amazing. This is a good sign that today we will have good moves. So just have to be patient at this point, and hopefully in about like 25 minutes, once Paul starts to speak and the 30-minute candle closes, we'll get something for sure. Hello team Joel. Joel, what's up, bro? We didn't manage to set up the Zoom. I forgot about that, to be honest. But yeah, payout process on funding pips, that's amazing, bro.
Yes,
really nice.
Really nice. Funding pips,
I
really
have
good.
To give kudos to funding pips at this point. Like,
very smooth.
That prop firm, I don't have to say anything bad about them, to be honest. Like, okay, you have slippage on C-Trade and everything, but you have that on all of them. But they pay out, man. They just pay out. They don't do any like these
requested on Monday, received today.
Emails. Funded Peaks sends you emails. FTMO also
So funding pips, nothing but respect, to be honest. Weekly payouts, what do you want more? Also, we can maybe put in the description of the stream, we can put the yeah, man, that would be nice.
Prop firms. Maybe pull up the Telegram really quick, bro.
Let's do that actually, that would be really nice, because we are still waiting for the press conference, guys.
Because many people are asking us, guys, which prop firm should we consider? And honestly, of course, we don't recommend anything because we don't want to be responsible for that. But we can just say what we are using, and the prop firms that we are using. For one, I mean FTMO, but FTMO is really expensive, so I would not recommend you guys to go for that. But we definitely use funding pips, Alpha Capital. We can recommend. I mean, we don't recommend, of course, but you can use those. And I think the one I would recommend the most is funding pips, to be honest, because they also take US clients now at this point. And they have weekly payouts. You can scale up so fast, so fast. I can show you guys my first 50k account. I think on one stream we can go through that, like how I started to build up. I took one, just write also maybe funding pips. Confirms we use, not affiliates. We can go through that, how I managed to scale up from a $300 investment. I blew up one account, I think, first, and then I managed to pass the second one, and from that account I built up all the way to 500k in funding, 400k, 500k in funding. So just by taking small steps from a 50k account, taking small withdrawals, This is the blueprint actually for the prop firms, guys. And Hamza did the same, you know. Hamza did the same.
It's on rise, man. That was very fast actually.
Yeah, that's amazing.
It's really on rise.
And let's get the likes up to 30 at least, guys.
Really
What's up? Let's go.
2.2k.
I think today we will get a really nice setup if we are patient. I can already tell you guys. So Hamza, let's do something which is really important for the guys. Let's put up a vertical line. Let's pull up a vertical line, please. Not a horizontal line,
sorry.
A vertical line. Please, bro.
Yeah.
Exactly, let's go to 8:30. So our time, 20:30, exactly. So this will be key, guys. 8:30, 2:30 Eastern time, 2:30 p.m. Eastern time will be key. Most probably we will be executing our trade at that time, so stay tuned. 20 minutes left, 30-minute candle will close at that point, and ideally we see price action forming at that point, because that's when Powell, our guy Powell, will speak, and he will just tell us what he's told, to be honest. So,
exactly.
and he was told that it's gonna stay the same. Hopefully we still move, because since rates they didn't raise the rates, or they didn't decrease them or something, so hopefully we see still movement, you know. But as far as now, I really like what I'm seeing, that we're still within the range. So most likely when Powell starts to come out, we can expect some volume, and maybe we will break out of the range then. Hopefully. Once it reaches to 2308, do you wait for retest before entering? Bro, at this point we don't care about prices or whatever. We will wait till 8:30.
We are just keeping track of our analysis and just waiting for 8:30, guys. We are most likely not going to enter any positions before, you know. Like it's
we just put on these long and short positions as reference.
so you know for what
we are looking
that
for, you know?
area is, you know.
Dave K, you still around? Report. What's your status, Dave K? Yeah, that would be interesting if he. I mean, he should be winning if he full margin because it reacted from the demand zone perfectly.
What? He full margin or what?
Yeah, Dave K said he will go full margin.
Buys or what?
Yeah, probably buys. Why should he shouldn't sell into in a demand zone, right? I mean, hopefully he longed. Yeah, he longed. Perfect, man.
Oh,
He
wow.
full margin into long
100
and
pips.
exited and 100 pips, bro. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Congrats on that. Just I'll send you my USDT address. You can send like 20% tax on that.
So guys, breaking news. The US Fed signaled fresh concerns about inflation as it held rates steady and signaled it needs more evidence before cutting. So that means for us guys, we have probably, I'm gonna tell you, till June the 12th, so the next FOMC, so about 6 weeks, we will have a very nice direction on gold and also on NASDAQ. So that's really good for us actually. So you guys know why we have like a certain bias, because you were asking us like why you were looking for buys and stuff like this, and you know, but to like with every stream you guys will get to know our strategy better and better and better, and you will understand what we are looking for and why we have a certain bias, you know. Bro, did you get the 30k payout from Alpha Capital prop firm? Yes, I did, man. Thankfully, I lost a little bit. I tried to get it a little bit more up. I had a losing trade, but then like deleted the account and then received the payout also last week. What lot size do you use for 50k funding?
It depends on the pair, bro.
And risk percentage.
We don't care about lots. Remember that we don't care about lots. We don't care about pips. All we care about is risk reward. So if my stop is 30 pips, I will not use the same lot size as if my stop loss is 50 pips, which is really not, like, it's really rare that I will have like 40-50 pips stop.
Like for example here, like we don't put this for fun, you know. So you see what kind of risk to reward we are looking for, you know. For example, 1 to 3. So if the trade doesn't give me a 1 to 2 at least, I'm not gonna execute on that one.
Yeah, it's for reference, but you should care about risk reward, not about pips, not about lots, not about this and that. I don't even understand people who use fixed lots. Like, how do you manage that? What kind of risk management is that? Like, if people are using fixed lots, yeah, I don't know. I don't want to say anything, but yeah, it's weird. It's weird. It's weird.
Guys, come on, let's get them likes up, man. We are still at 20 likes,
and
guys.
we're just 32 viewers. What's this, bro? Like, you really want us to gamble here, guys, or what? To get the viewers up? This is an FOMC stream. I thought like maybe 100 viewers at least.
Definitely. Probably after all the streamers lose, they will come on our stream.
Yeah, hopefully.
But get them likes up, guys. Get them likes up so we get some engagement here. We really love FOMC. Like my favorite time of day, you know, it's NYSE, and my favorite time of the year is every FOMC day, man. Exactly. I love FOMC
because. But let's first make good thumbnail, man. What are you talking about, Def? The thumbnail is great.
Yeah, man.
What are you talking about,
I
bro?
spent like so much energy into that thumbnail. You have to like it, brother.
What is that, bro? Have some respect, bro.
I literally did that in like 2-3 minutes, I think.
No, honestly, I think the thumbnail looks great, Hamza. You did a great job on that. Like, it not looks perfect. Def, what is your problem, bro? You full margin FOMC, you made 100 pips, and now you're talking like that. You think already, I'm not going to disrespect you, but you already did.
You disrespected my work, man. That really affected
you
me.
already did.
I'm really down right now that you did not like my artwork that I put in for this channel, and I'm really hurt right now, and I don't think that I can trade efficiently, and probably will close the stream here.
No, we're just joking, but what's this? So let's get the likes up, guys, anyways, 30 viewers, so we can get to 30 likes. We are here streaming within our free time. Instead of spending time with our family, we're here streaming, providing value for you guys. What are you guys looking for right now? Long, sell? We play both sides. We don't have a fixed bias. I would prefer longs.
Yes.
To be honest, definitely would prefer longs. But if we just shoot up, out of nowhere, I can also look for the sells, no problem, But all we care about is the timing. We will wait. We will wait for the 30-minute closure. After the 30-minute closure, a lot will be way easier, Because once Paul starts to speak, I think we can also expect some volume in, and yeah. By the way, don't be surprised. The next 30-minute can do some crazy stuff, can break highs and lows and stuff. So be prepared to see that, and don't be surprised if we do see that. Now we're going to connect. Set a casino thumbnail so you can attract more people like that. Yeah, I mean, we don't want to attract gamblers, to be honest. Like, we want to build a solid community, people who are here to be in the long term. Never going to connect again. Buy from chat, Dev. It's all good. Yeah, as you wish, bro.
No, we're just joking, Def. I mean, I'm not serious about getting affected or something like that. We just wanted to get that thumbnail on, so we have something special for FOMC. The most important thing is for us to execute on the right trades. We don't really care about anything other than that. So we're just joking. We're just trying to make some time, like 10 minutes still. And what are you guys looking for? What is my view? We said that waiting for giga candle either side. Yes, brother, that's what we are waiting for. But we, just to clarify, guys, we have neither buy or sell stops, neither buy or sell limits active. We are just waiting patiently. 10 minutes left for the meeting, and as we cross this purple line, we'll get some action in here.
Yeah.
So that's what we are waiting for.
Just wait for 10 minutes, and guys, so you don't have to have FOMO, because even if you push now, I would expect the next 30-minute candle to do a pullback, and
no, man, I'm just seeing like how much RR, man.
We can then enter on the pullback when Powell starts to speak. Let's pull up the 30-minute, Hamza, really quick. Let's check out the 30-minute candles looking at this point. Yeah,
beautiful, man.
The closure here is really key, guys. The closure is really key. So what we don't want to see is the following. Let me just draw it really quick. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So we don't want to see a closure below that wick, not even near that wick. So the closure should be around this area, to be honest, like around 2306. I think as long as we close within this area, the next 30-minute candle can do a pullback, tap into maybe even all the way to 2300, retest the psychological level, and then we can re-break the highs and continue pushing, and we can,
you'll be surprised if we tapped 2320 even, you know. We can go up from here 200 pips, 300 pips, doesn't matter. Gold can do whatever it wants.
And also
but
with Asian,
how it builds that move up, you know. If it builds it up like I said, just, you know, with the 30-minute candle closing above strong, really strong, and the next one just pulling back, retesting the psychological level, and then breaking the high, yeah, definitely.
and also with FOMC, guys, the really nice thing is that you guys also can backtest is a lot of times the runners go really good because we still like Asian session respects the trend from FOMC. That's why we can get some really nice runners also. Yeah, let's see, guys. Brother, do you trade impulsive trade in breakout? We don't take breakout trades, my man. So if we would have taken breakout trades, our risk to reward ratio would not be at least 1 to 2. I mean, it would be probably negative or 1 to 1 the most, and that doesn't make sense for me.
Then we would be forced to close at 10 pips, you know, or 15, 20 pips. So we don't want to do that. Ideally, we get the good trades, and the good trades, so we have to wait patiently.
So what we have done here actually is to just make a further analysis. We had these double tops from pre-FOMC, which we swept, and then made a retracement, and now also breaking again. So that would be really nice also if we can get a good closure above here also. And now we have 6 minutes left for my best friend Paul to speak. And what's also great is that we have these here also.
Yeah, and we have 37 people watching, guys. We're about to maybe get into a position in about like 6 minutes. We will plan it ahead. So let's bump up the likes to third, guys. Let's go. Let's go. We are 36 people watching at this point.
For example, just to answer the question from Krishna again. For example, if you would have like bought this breakout, put your stop below this one, which would be a 1 minute entry, but still 25 pip stop. And I'm not saying that your entry slipped or anything, just get a good entry, and you can maybe target this one for a 1 to 1.3. Is that good for you? If it is, then good luck with it. I have nothing against breakout trading or something like that.
We used to do it actually. We used to be breakout traders also,
yeah.
But with time you realize that you need better risk reward in trading. You need a good risk reward if you want to make money in this game, and the good risk reward is with supply and demand, waiting for the pullback, being patient, trading the trend, letting your trades run a bit more, the runners, and with breakout you can't do that. Ali Reza, yo, what's up Ali Reza? What's up, bro? What's up? How did FOMC go for you? Were you able to gamble a bit or not? Yeah, okay. But this FOMC is quite slow for some reason. I don't know why. Probably because the rate stayed the same, but pretty low.
Yeah, let's look into NAS also. Keep track of NAS. What we also here have here, like you see the difference now between NAS and gold. Both are pushing up, but NAS is breaking out of the range, or like trying to break out of the range already, and gold is still about to do that. So that's also very interesting to see here. Also US 30 just breaking out, S&P also breaking out, that's really nice. And the dollar is bearish, guys. I love this, I really love this. That gives you hints, you know, like 3 minutes for the conference. So the 30-minute will close, and probably will close very strong if you don't get a heavy rejection in the last few minutes.
And also, guys, one thing I want to say, so you guys asked about the breakout trade. Of course, we can also do the breakout trades in here to just get in the engagement, to just make you like excite you guys, you know, about taking trades and everything. I don't know, for example, just buy the break of the 15-minute high or 30-minute high, you know. But we don't want those kind of trades that we just take the trade really quick and then close at 10 pips, 15 pips, 20 pips, you know, and you guys will be able to close maybe at break even, because price will move so fast, you know. So no, we're here to get the quality setups, and at this point the 30-minute is looking beautiful. 2 minutes to go. Hopefully we don't get a crazy rejection before the closure, so then we can have a strong closure, and then our good friend Paul can speak, we can have a pullback, and then push. That would be perfect, and I would love to see that.
Okay, nice. Trading Pilot, hello. Tiam, if the interest rate is unchanged or hike, gold tends to go down, right? So this is a very important question actually, and I will try to explain it in under a minute, because the 30-minute will close then and the press conference will start. But normally, if you would trade a forex pair cross with the US dollar, then it would have a direct effect on that pair. But with gold, since gold is an asset and a safe haven, it acts very differently. So you can see also dollar pushing up and gold pushing up at the same time. And right now, with the rate staying the same, it also affects gold in a way where people want to just get rid of the US dollars, because they know, okay, the dollar will probably just lose in value, and what they are gonna do is transfer the dollars into assets like gold, NAS, US 30, you know, like S&P stocks, etc., or Bitcoin, whatever. I don't know what did Bitcoin do. I posted that I think it's gonna go down a little bit more, but let's focus on gold now. 1 second left, and 30 closure, enormous closure. Now if we can get a pullback and some structure forming, we can get some easy trades, guys. The direction is clear. We'll delete this supply here. We took also here the highs, the previous highs. So let's see how good of a move this was. Almost 200 pips. Almost 200 pips. Okay, so nice. This is really good. Did anyone take buys from bottom? Yes, DEFC took some longs, I think, from the demand area, from the buy area. Congrats on that again. Guys, how long are you trading full time? Bro, full time probably, I mean, it really depends. Like, cause we have other businesses too that we have on the side, you know. So I would say trading takes 2 to 3 hours from my time in a day, but brings me like really good amount of money each month. So in terms of money, we are full-time traders, but we invest our profits also like in different businesses. So we don't rely only just on our trading performance, because that performance can vary always. and that I would recommend you guys to do that also, to just invest your profits somewhere else.
Because a good profitable trader shouldn't have any pressure of performing. If you have that pressure of performing, you will realize that you will not perform that well, you know. So ideally or you put enough money on the side. That's also another tactic that you can do. What would you recommend investing profits in which isn't stocks or crypto? Bro, you can look, it can be also some traditional things, you know. I mean, you can buy an ownership on, I don't know, it can be everything, you know. Like for example, it can be in some car repairing companies or whatever it might be. A friend of mine does that. We also look into that now. That's a really good business. So you can do a bunch of things. Just try to maybe expand your network and try to participate in like normal traditional businesses. I think those traditional businesses are really underestimated, I would say. I thought that 8:30 he moved a lot.
That's 30 pips on 1 minute candles, man. I mean, that's not...
It is a lot, bro. It's 50 pips already dropping, giving us a pullback. We were anticipating this pullback because we know a new 30-minute candle has a really high likelihood of pulling back, you know. So ideally we would like to have a bit of a deeper pullback.
Yeah, because I mean it's now respecting this 1 minute imbalance and kind of this demand area, but that would be way too risky, man. I mean, if I would be aggressive, yes, that's really nice to enter here, but to be honest, on stream I would not want you guys to be on this roller coaster.
It's going.
It's a high probability, of course.
Up 50 pips.
But yeah.
No, but we didn't take this, guys. It's a bit too.
Yeah, so don't go in this trade right now. We're just
the first 5
still
minutes
waiting.
on the 30. You know, it's just the
We're still waiting.
We're just still patiently waiting over here. If that 1 minute would have closed a bit stronger, maybe, but it's too quick right now at this point. Just be a bit more patient. Yeah, maybe that flip on the 30 on the break of the high, but that's a breakout trade, not a trade that we like to take. You know, it can reject at any given point. You know, you don't know if it's gonna reject or not. So
we're just still waiting. Take profits from gold and buy physical gold. Yes, we have physical gold, obviously. In times of uncertainty, that's the best investment you can do. And also like good stocks and stuff. I think I made like 10% or something with a Islamic ETF. That's also really nice. I checked it today because I received like the monthly statement. Yes, brother. I started investing for my son, you know, on the sideline.
Yeah, really nice.
And
that's
I made 10% on that. But like,
just
not actively trading, just holding, you know, just holding and putting money in.
Amazing, bro, amazing. Just to be paying attention, guys. So
that's what we mean, man.
I really like what I'm seeing right now on gold. Heavy rejections, really aggressive behavior. I really like to see that, to be honest, because remember, guys, we also have that supply right on the left hand side. I had that marked out. Hamza, did you delete it maybe or what?
Yeah, here, you mean?
No, the 30. Go to the 30, brother. Go to the 30. Yeah, we have that bull trap candle, which I like to call it. Just pull that up for references, because I want to see how price reacts from there. So as you guys already know, we don't FOMO into any trades. We could have taken the buy at the break of the high. Of course, those breakout trades, they work. you know. You get your 10 pips, 15 pips, but we don't like taking trades like that. I personally don't like it at all, because look at that, it goes up and down so fast, you know. Guys, you saw the ACG news rule, like you can't trade during news, I guess, Lord. Exactly, that's why we wait first, patiently, and because there is that 4-minute window of the news trading rule, and then we start to get involved into the market.
And guys, that's the beauty of having multiple accounts with multiple firms. There are also firms that don't have any restrictions at all, so we don't really worry about any thing, you know, like if it fits our playbook, then we execute on the trades. If not, then we are just on the sidelines chilling. You know how we roll. We don't FOMO in, guys. You see, like, I mean, I called this was a no-brainer, but it's just too aggressive, you know, for you guys to keep up with it. Like, if I would have executed here, most of you guys probably would have executed like here somewhere, you know, and that would be obviously like 20 pips almost in difference, and that's not like, that's a lot. Like 20 pips in difference is ruins your risk to reward ratio. So we're trying to get things slow and with good setups. Guys, where in Turkey should I visit if I'll be there to visit? Istanbul for sure. Depends how many days you have. If you type in how many days you have there, I can give you a roadmap, man.
Yeah, Turkey is a beautiful country with a lot of opportunities.
And 5 minutes are really rejecting this range here that we had previously.
It literally is a break and retest at this point. I really like it, to be honest, but price action is not giving us an opportunity to enter. It's not giving us an opportunity to enter other than high risk trades. But it's just the second 30 minutes, so I do believe, I mean, at this point it's probably pushing, because price did exactly what we were saying. We were anticipating this 30-minute heavy engulfing candle, and then the next 30-minute candle to do a bottom wick and then push, and it's doing that. But 1-minute candles are way too big and not giving us entry opportunities at this point. Love that you guys live in Istanbul. No, we live in Vienna. Did you guys take any trades today? No trades taken just yet.
Yeah,
because at this point, guys, we are also really, like, we try to be especially with FOMC, we don't like to get into trades pre-FOMC, because if you are patient, especially like this, the last 2 weeks, gold is moving so bad, just having a bunch of wicks and stuff. If you are patient, like, for sure next week will be so much easier, you know. In my country, you buy APT for 60k, 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. An apartment for 60. Where do you live, Leonardo?
in Colombia, I think.
Colombia? Yeah, that's amazing, bro. And get an apartment, maybe. It's a good investment. All your setups were valid today. NASDAQ and gold hit TP from previous stream. Yeah,
Yes,
NASDAQ was actually a really nice one. And gold, it was just a shame that the pullback to the demand area was off stream. And then we didn't see it quite and we missed it. How old are you, if you don't mind answering? Kadir, me is 24, Hamza is 27. How much is an apartment in Istanbul? It's a bunch of money, bro. It's a lot.
Depends
of
from
money.
where.
It depends also where, but it's expensive. But let's be patient, guys. So the 15-minute candle is about to close in 3 minutes. So we can still see that pullback. 3 brothers, let's go. Now here right now we are 2 brothers, bro.
We have more brothers off stream.
We have brothers off stream, but me and Hamza are here. 2 brothers smashing gold. For, yeah, we 4 years in now with
this
gold.
would have been so nice, man. If
Yeah,
we would have gotten that one.
Yeah, that
Tap into that 15 imbalance would be so beautiful.
I mean, it's pretty weird to be honest, because normally from our experience, what gold loves to do, give that first 30 minutes and then they get a heavy pullback, you know, scare everybody out and then give you the move. But today it was a quick pullback and
only 50 pips. That's nothing for FOMC. Another building character day today. Let's see. I mean, if we can get a good pullback, we can definitely take some trades. But right now, what do you want to do? You know, like, I mean, analysis played out. I mean, we were on point on that, as Trading Pilot also said. But if you can't get the setups, you can't get them. I mean, it's not the first FOMC where I didn't get any setups, so it's also right if you don't get any. But we are still here. We're still here, watching the charts like a hawk, and we'll see what we can do. Yes, normally FOMC week is F up to trade. Yes, it's very hard to trade, and that's why we did not enter in any trades without good confirmations. And that's also very important, guys. So we did not do anything but be very picky with our trades, and that's why we are still disciplined with them, you know, because we didn't lose, we didn't win, you know, we didn't have any trades. So that's why we are fresh, we are not exhausted, you know, because with every trade you are draining your mental capital. So you, for example, like most of the time, if we have like a winning trade or so, we just leave the charts alone, you know, rest, go for a walk, you know, whatever, and just come back tomorrow, like the day after. Dopamine, yes, that's it, brother. And I didn't have any dopamine effect today. I mean, it's quite nice to stream. I'm really starting to enjoy this streaming. That's giving me enough dopamine, and maybe that's why I'm not rushing into trades.
And also we have now the 15-minute closure, so now it will be really important if we get a pullback, you know, but market is nasty today.
Yeah, let's see. I mean, usually we have volume till the daily closure on FOMC day, so we still have a lot of opportunities in the market. What's your best advice and to pass a challenge and get consistent payouts? Oof, man, you are asking very good questions, but this will take a long time. If we get some likes up, like the 30s, I can go into that in depth while we are waiting for some setups.
And also, guys, just be a bit patient, because if you also look at NAS, bro, NAS is also in that supply zone that we drew out before. So if you pull up the 30-minute, so just be a bit patient, guys. These moves, these are heavy moves, you know. Because we are going up so fast, we can also go down really fast. So keep that in mind. Just be patient. You know, I really do believe that we can get a setup. I mean, of course, it's annoying a little bit, to be honest. I'm also a bit annoyed because gold just rallied pretty much without giving pullbacks. Maybe off stream, to be honest, if we didn't stream, maybe me and Hamza would have scalped that because we are really comfortable with the 1 minutes. And if you look at it, Hamza marked also the imbalances, and we were respecting imbalances really nicely with the closures, so we might have scalped it, to be honest. But still, also this streaming thing is really good for us to build up more and more discipline, because we want to level up also. But yeah, that's why imbalances are really key. If you look at the imbalances, you could have maybe gotten in some positions in here.
The price tend always to go back to FOMC level. Yeah, so like I mean, it gives a very good pullback, but it usually holds the low of the FOMC or the high. I mean, if it goes bearish.
I think if we are patient, we can see, because NAS is also showing some reaction now from that supply, slowly but surely. Of course, it can just smash through these zones, guys. Keep that in mind. You know, it can really just smash through those zones really quick. It's doing it actually right now. It's pulling back. So it's really important that we are just patient and we wait. So yeah, 15 minute to the bottom weekend. Now it broke the high. I broke the high before already. Okay. FOMC level is very important and react like a magnet. Yes, stacking on NAS, to be honest. Price tend always to go back to FOMC level. Did you answer this?
No, I wanted to answer earlier Riza's question when we get to 30 likes, because it's a very in-depth question, but we are still at the 26. We are stagnating at this point. Now, seeing some momentum to the 30s, we got to 27. Guys, what's your dreams when you were little kids? Man, Ali Reza is really deep today, man. My man, he's asking so deep questions, man. We'll get to that. Wait just a second. I'm just looking at price right now. Leonardo, I'm trying to get better with entry pattern. I see you guys most of the time look for double bottom top, two touched off the zone for confirmation. I mean, it depends, my man. It depends. For example, if we would have gotten a touch here and then a nice closure, that would be enough too. Because it was really nice.
Yeah, Reza is cooking right now, throwing in those deep questions. We like that.
And gold just rallying at this point and not looking for a retracement, but let's see, maybe with the next hourly candle we can get something. But right now the 5 minute on NASDAQ closed. We still have so much bullish momentum on NASDAQ too. Like I mean, it's really tough to sell from here, you know. Like we did not get any sort of confirmation to sell from here. I mean, you know, like the 50 minute flipped, the 5 minute has no bottom wick though. I mean, yeah. We're waiting for sell. It depends. We are waiting for both, my man. We are waiting for both. For the first 5 minute, S&P 500 took the highs, but NAS 100 did not. Yeah, I saw that too. Yes, that can happen sometimes. Also, like if you noticed during, like after NY and during NY, US 30 was rallying, but NAS was still in the range, and this can happen. This can happen. It's quite normal because they reflect different indexes, you know. Only it's only because they are like all in the US, it doesn't mean that they have to move the exact same. Do you also trade US 30? Yeah, I mean, in the last years we traded also US 30, but since the start of the year, I think I didn't have like a US 30 trade, maybe one or two at the start of the year, but NAS was pretty clean. We traded NAS mostly. Yes, we are still at the 27. We're stagnated still at the 27s, and I mean it's really hard, guys, right now. I mean, we actually took time to do all the streaming, and when you don't get what you see, you can't do anything. You know, the market doesn't know that we took that time off and went on a stream or whatever. You know, market just does what it does, and if it gives us something, we take it. If not, we come back tomorrow. There's no need to force anything in here. And also, guys, with FOMC, please don't try to counter trend from nowhere. Like, don't sell just because you see like a bearish candle, because you can get burnt very fast with FOMC. So probably Powell speaking anytime. Let me check, because after Powell stops speaking, no, he's still speaking, my man is still speaking. Okay, because mostly when Powell is done speaking, there comes like a very nice pullback, and mostly that pullback is like profit taking, you know, like profit taking from the actual positions from here.
But also, if you look on a higher time frame scale, the idea from just from Monday starting on played out really nicely, to be honest. Because if you look at the daily and stuff, we are reacting now from that daily demand still. Yeah. You know, like from that daily engulfing candle, from that whole range.
Yeah, and the 4 hour demand would be more.
It looks like it's about to have a fake out on the daily, you know, because we closed below previous week on the daily, and now it's pulling up all the way. So remember, guys, what we were saying always: if you have clean range to the downside, you will have clean range to the upside. Look at all the price inefficiency, all the imbalances on the left hand side. Now you have the same on the right side. Yeah. You know, this is these things, you will see them over and over and over again in the markets. Yes, sir.
Man, I need to watch Galatasaray in Turkey once I'm there. The crazy fans. Yes, I'm also a Galatasaray fan. We are probably going to win the championship, and it's going pretty well. I think like 3 or 4 games left. Let's see, guys, if he reaches that area, there would be a nice sell. Yeah, I mean, if we get confirmations, we can definitely sell from there. It's no problem, because it's also like, when you keep that in mind, you don't, as I said, you don't want to counter trend the FOMC, but if we pushed for more than 300 pips now, and if we get to this area, we will maybe just see some profit taking, and that can lead into a proper pullback, what we maybe can take. But if not, then we can take the buys, you know, like something like this, maybe come in this area, little bit profit taking, consolidation, stuff like this, and then building up again and going. And also keep in mind, guys, these FOMC trends tend to also continue till Asian session. but we'll probably not stream during Asia. So
that's the thing. Tomorrow we can also get trades, you know, easy moves. But I do believe like if we can get a pullback, FOMC likes to trend. So I don't want to sell it at this point.
Yeah,
but I would like to see a pullback and the next leg up. That's what I would love to see. Now maybe a heavy, like nasty rejections, you know. A 5-minute candles coming down really aggressively. I would love to see that. Like a 50-100 pips pullback into that. Yeah, we have more a couple imbalances right there. And if we see strong candle closures on the 5 minutes, we can definitely get into some continuation buys.
Definitely. So while we're waiting, I'm just gonna go over the questions of Ali Riza, because he's also a Galatasaray fan. So that's why I don't mind if you also if you don't hit the 30 likes, but it would be obviously really nice if you do. And the first question of Ali Riza was how we like pass challenges, like the best advice. It's probably like quality trades, quality over quantity, as Kadir said right now. I don't know if you guys heard that. So taking really good setups and just maybe risk 2% on them or whatever, what you're comfortable with. And also obviously like you have to have a strategy in place, you know, for you to do this. But definitely you can risk a little bit more on challenges, and then once you're on the funded account, you reduce your risk. Maybe risk 0.5% on the first trade. After you have a buffer, you can risk maybe a little bit more, and also you can stop trading and just wait for the payout, and that's how you get consistent with the payouts. So for example, with finding pips, at the start of the stream I received 2.2k, and I mean that's not life-changing money, but if it's consistent, if it's weekly or bi-weekly, then it's good money, you know. Like I always tend to say, like 10k a month is not big money, but 10k consistently every month, that's life-changing. But one time doesn't change anything in my life. But if I can get 10k every month for years and years, that will likely change my life, definitely. Let's see, guys, if we reaches that area. So yeah, that we had that one. The chat is sleeping right now, I think, but gold is still active. Gold is still active, and we'll probably wait. Yeah, I got a question from Stormin on Discord, and actually we answered that question, but I'm just gonna answer this here. He asked if with streaming getting into trades made it harder or not, like while we are streaming. And I mean, for example, today we missed a trade on NAS because we were answering some questions and stuff like this. That was always obviously an effect, but really glad that some guys took that. But for example, just as we said, that 1 minute, for example, this is like perfectly, you know, like actually for us, because I don't mind if I take a loss, because I'm not gonna risk 2% on this trade. I'm maybe gonna risk 0.5% on this trade, you know, because I would have had like a 30 pip stop, and I mean right now, okay, it went really far, but I would have targeted maybe this area first, you know. So it would have been a really nice setup. But as I said before, if we take these kind of trades on stream, you guys will not be able to catch up with us, and that's what we don't want, you know. That's why we try to execute our A+ setups. That would be probably a B+ setup, you know, because it's on the 1 minute. If it would be on a 5 minute, that would be A+, obviously, but the 5 minute just went way too fast. So just to make sure you guys don't get us wrong, I can easily just say, for example, guys, just buy in this area and forget about it, you know, like put a big stop, whatever. But that's not our aim. Our aim is to try to first educate you guys with our streams, try to get our stance on gold, like our view, how we read gold on a daily basis, and then if we can get a good setup that fits our plan, then we just execute on it. But we we can maybe also do a kind of like voting and stuff. If you guys want 1 minute entries, we can definitely do them. Like it's no problem for us to take 1 minute entries. Like if you did not realize till now that we are very good on the lower time frames, you will see that there too. But I don't know if you can keep track of that or not, you know. That's the important part. So there's no problem for us. I mean, just so you know, we are not like scared or something like that, like over a loss or something, you know, because we said from the beginning, this win rate that will change, man. We had just one trade and that was a winner. So
yeah, anybody who thinks we will keep the 100% win rate, I'm sorry to disappoint you guys. It will not happen.
Yeah,
like probably it will fluctuate between 50 and 60, because we look for 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s maybe, you know, but average 1 to 2, and you can do the math. You're even profitable with 40%. So yeah.
Leonardo, for everyone, if you want to get funded, just take trade only if trades are taken during the live stream. I made 4% from the live stream. Nice, Leonardo, congrats on that. Yeah, I mean, you know, like, because you have to keep in mind, when we enter a trade, most probably 90% on stream will enter a trade too. So we try to get the best trades possible. And if we enter, you will know before we even enter ourselves. Because if you remember, most of the guys had better entries on our winning trade on that day, because we said we are going to enter on the break of that high. And fortunately for you guys, you had even a better entry than us. You know, that's completely fine. And that's our aim. Like, we know that most of you guys are going to take the same trades, or maybe the same trade idea with different entries or whatever, you know, but that's why we try to stick to the 5 minutes, so we can you guys also can enter like smoothly, you know, because on the 1 minute, I mean, this 1 minute it has a really high probability that this is just gonna go, but I can't take these trades on live stream, you know. Like, how do you guys want to keep track of this? That would be really hard for you. Hi guys, second day watching the stream, love what you do. Thank you, Ramses Montes, thanks a lot, appreciate the support. Keep sticking to these live streams. Usually after FOMC we have easy 2 weeks, most likely, and we'll get very nice trades. Vector fan, for me no problem. Oh, you mean the 1 minute? Yes, I mean for most people it's no problem, it being on the 1 minute. And Kadir just told me like to watch NAS. It's looking pretty nice right now. The 30-minute is still a doji. 15 swept the high and rejected. But where did we react from? Okay, we have this.
We have the imbalance.
1 hour.
I think if we wait for the 15 closure, it can get really interesting because you never know, you know, especially with these indices, it can make a whole reversal in no time, you know. So let's get the likes up to 30, guys. We're maybe we didn't catch the buy, but we may be able to get into some sells. I would prefer the buys, to be honest. If you just drop now heavy, you know, get a pullback and we get the buys, especially on gold, because I know for a fact that from experience, just FOMC tends to just continue to trend, you know. So I would really love to see that just heavy drop, you know, get that pullback, and then we can just smash those buys, man. I would love to see that because everything is telling me that the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the whole structure, the daily, because most likely, mark my words, I think 2330 will be tapped, even 35 maybe, and probably then we can go even higher if we do continue to trend. 2350 will be tapped. So ideally I would love to get into some buys, but for that I need a pullback, man. I need a good entry with confirmations. Yeah, we can't just buy the top. We can't, like, because you have to play the risk reward game here. And look, if we would have gotten into those buys, you would have been in so much drawdown, you know. So just don't do it, man. Wait for quality. Today is the first day of the month, and today strength might be just a rug pull. Yeah, it can also be. I mean, if you look at the monthly is just has just opened, you know, and it's filling the wick at this point. So we can see a partial wick fill and then continue to drop. Yes, you can see that for sure. Especially, guys, in 2 hours the daily will close. So if the daily doesn't break the high of the previous daily, I do believe that we could even correct the whole move, the bullish move. You know, you never know. So just be prepared for every scenario. Don't try to predict, just react, you know. So yeah, man, just be patient.
So as I said before, guys, with the next 1 hour we'll usually get a pullback for the wick. And now gold is dropping very nicely, and if we can build some structure after we have dropped enough for a nice pullback, we can maybe target this supply area for some buys. That would be really nice, because we would be on the trend from FOMC, and would also like have a solid target, like, because this supply zone, I just looked at the 4 hour, like this supply zone is also like we have all this here, you know, all of this, you know, the previous range from last week. So that would be a really high probable supply zone also.
NAS is also building up in an interesting way.
Yeah,
looks
let's
like it's
see.
about to form a bull trap.
Yeah,
maybe.
it's still respecting. That's why, for example, guys, see, like I drew that line like beforehand, just to see if it's gonna respect or not. For now, it's respecting. I mean, but it's not enough yet. So just to prove you guys that we can easily be on the 1 minute, you know. And I actually love the 1 minute. I don't like the 5 minutes, you know, like, because I'm really also, like, if you notice, I'm always like watching on the 1 minute, because you can read the market just very nice on the 1 minute if you spend enough time with that time frame. Nice. So let's get back to one of Ali Riza's other questions. In the meantime, where we are waiting for a pullback. Childhood dream. Probably childhood dream. Well, I don't know, man. I don't even remember. Probably like just like having a good job and stuff like this. You know, like I don't really know, man. I mean, like these, yeah. I mean, like standard stuff that you just get from your environment, like, you know, like just things you hear from your environment. But as I said on the stream earlier today, we always had a very entrepreneurial mindset, and that's why we always like try to get in different businesses and try to make our own money.
So at this point we are seeing a good reversal starting to happen on the 15-minute, and I really like what I'm seeing at this point. I would love to see a build up to come down, and then on the 5 minutes to see that structure forming around like the 23.15 maybe, or even 23.10. So around that area would be amazing, but it might not happen, but we can adapt to that. But ideally I would like to see a pullback for entry for longs.
Man, Paul is still speaking. Usually he doesn't speak that long, man.
He's doing overtime.
Yeah, I mean, he just wants a race, I guess. No, I'm really not kidding, but normally he doesn't speak that much, man. Oh, wow, that was a quick push. 23 pips. Yeah, on the 5 minute it flipped too. Yeah, very.
If we look at it, we have that tiny imbalance on the 5 minute.
Yeah.
Which is you need a good trained eye to see that.
I mean, we don't mark everything out, guys. Like,
yeah, we don't mark everything out, but what's important is the closure, guys. But it's 30 minutes for that 5 minute to close. It doesn't look like it will break the high, and it looks like it will have a weak closure. So the next candle can just rip down also. You never know, you know.
So 15 is closing. Let's look at NAS really quickly. Yeah, the 15 flipped, so nothing to do on NAS for now, but still respecting that magical line. Just kidding, obviously. But yeah, I mean, it's not so strong, and it's probably reacting from this imbalance here, which is also an imbalance on the 1 hour. But for now it's not enough. And the closure on gold on the 15 is a weak bearish candle that respected the imbalance over here also. But I would really like to see a deeper pullback. NQ is bouncing around the 15 imbalance. Let me see. Oh yeah, yes. You're right. That's what I also said. Wajdi. W power. The move is done for the day. See you all tomorrow. Nice, man. You already banked your profit, so that's good that you called the day. Just do your journaling and then go to bed, man. We are here still grinding at evening time here in Austria. Everything for you guys, but we still didn't hit the 30 likes. That's a shame, man. That's really a shame. Probably never gonna stream FOMC again. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I mean, we did that because you guys wanted us to stream this. But unfortunately, we didn't get the best setup we were looking for. Because like what would have been ideal would have been something like this. That was the 30. So the 30 just dropping right away like 100 pips into this imbalance, and then something like this. That would be like the perfect setup, and you can backtest this on FOMC. It's respecting like the 30 and also filling the imbalance, and that was actually what we were looking for, but price did not retrace that much, unfortunately. But yeah, it doesn't matter. We planned for it, you know, in advance. That's why we have it here and stuff. But it didn't happen. So just waiting for now. And that's really nice to see that we are starting to pull back from here. I just want to see how much we reacted from this 1 minute. Yeah, 70 pips. That was nice. Nice. Yeah, if you know gold so well, man, you get used to these candles, you know, like you see them every day, printing how they react, from where they react.
If you look at the 5 minute, remember what I said, guys. The closure is so bad, didn't break the high, not a strong closure on the 5 minutes, so it can easily rip down, fill the wick. Those candles are usually breather candles. I mean, to be honest, yeah, we might start even like what I thought about, to be honest, because these are really easy setups also. I mean, they are not the highest probability setups, but what we can do is once it's like really lower time frame entries, we can go with half risk. So for the record, we would do like half risk and still call out the trade. I think that would be a good idea for the future, so we can get in more trades maybe, because yeah, with FOMC, with these high impact news events, to get an entry on the 5 minute is really tough, really tough. So what do you think about that, guys? But you guys have to be prepared for that, and yeah, and you have to be okay with having a bad entry, slippage, all of that, you know, you have to consider that.
And you will have to really adapt, like adjust the risk too. Like so it should not be like we are like risking 0.5% and you guys just full margining that trade and stuff. That would not be really nice for you. I mean, if it works out, it's obviously perfect, but yeah. So now dropping really nicely. That's really good. I really like this because it was what it was expected with the next 1 hour, if you guys remember. And what's also really nice is that we did not take the high of the previous one. So we respected the high for now. And now just dropping.
And we're not dropping from that 1 hour supply. So that's a good indication for us that we can know, okay, we still have something to target, and that is really important.
Now rejecting already like 30 pips. Let's see. So if you guys want us to go with half risk, we can scalp like these moves also, like that's no problem, man. But just kidding, we are really looking for high probability setups. Like, look what would be really nice, you know, like we are still in this 5 minute imbalance. And if we can just close as a bullish pin bar in here, then we can enter maybe on the break of that high. NQ is digging down too. Yes, it went up but still respected that line, so everyone that took something with this line over here made some good profits, I guess. But now, like, just focusing on gold. The 1 minute closed as a pin bar for now, but would really like to see a 5 minute closure in here for potential buys above the high. Like, just let's focus on this buy. If you have, yeah, like this, like kind of like I mean, what you think, Kadir? Like, if we have like
If
here,
we can wait, like,
maybe like a small, like not too big of a wick, but a bullish pin bar on the 5 minute.
yeah, and then once we see the bottom wick forming on the 5 minute,
Yeah.
I think it can be pretty nice. But to be honest, I would prefer that tap, that real break of break and retest tap. That would be
Here?
even more amazing. Yeah, if you can just
Here?
yeah, exactly.
Mm-hmm.
If we can see that,
Like these
I would-
previous double tops.
exactly, I would prefer that, to be honest. But let's see how the market prints. I mean, we waited this much. Let's not have FOMO, guys, and let's be patient over here. Just another minute for the 5 minute candle to close.
Mm-hmm.
2 minutes actually. So if you can get a nice pin bar and then a pullback, I think it's nice. I mean, it already looks on the 1 minute really nice, to be honest. Like Hamza said, with the pin bar on the 1 minute, but yeah, that's a bit too risky, you know. Can hit your stop in another 1 minute also.
So the stop loss would be 60 pips, and that's what I really don't like with gold nowadays. It just goes so much in volume, you know. Like, if you you would have like a 75, like 57 pip stop, and if you would target that, yeah, okay, that would be 1 to 2, yeah, but that's still a very big stop, because I would really want to secure here like 80% of the position, you know. So if we oh, still no closure on the 5. Okay, I thought the 5 minute closed already. There's
But
still
a
1 minute.
Really strong build up at this point. A really strong build up.
Let's see what we can get here, guys. I think this is a really nice idea that can work out.
Yeah, so once we see the closure on this 5
Like
minute,
10 seconds. So what would be really perfect is, actually, I would just put that on here. If you can get a second tap with that next 5 minute in here, that would be perfect.
yeah, if we
And that
get-
would be also like a better risk to reward, you know, like, because then we would have 2R at these highs and can secure like 80-90% over there, and then just leave the runners like after we put our stops at break even. So if we can get a rejection from here, if we can respect this imbalance, so that would be interesting to see this imbalance over here on the 1 minute. Like, we have the 5 minute in mind, that's the 5 minute, so just so you guys don't get confused, 5 minute imbalance, okay.
also in 4 minutes the 30-minute candle will close, so for sure we're gonna see some sort of a pullback, so don't rush into it, guys.
Yeah, and so that's the 5 minute, okay. I'm just gonna put that aside, and this is on the 1 minute, obviously, okay. So if we can get like a tap into here, and we could maybe just go like this. So it would be kind of a reversal, you know, like we would build up a reversal from here.
Yeah, hopefully it doesn't just fly.
Yeah, man.
because the stop loss is way too big.
Yeah, I
for
mean,
that.
I cannot enter here. You know, like I would have a 1-to-1. That's not worth it. That's not worth it.
I'd rather don't take that trade. You know, it can go without me, but for sure I'm not gonna have a 100 pip stop. It's not worth it for me.
Like I said, now waiting for the second touch double bottom confirmation. I mean, that's not really a double bottom, I would say, Leonardo. Like a double bottom would be, for example, if we get the touch in here, you know, that would be a double bottom.
In this case, it would be actually just a retest.
Yeah.
Basically, just a retest, and if you could
Just
get
feel
that,
like feeling the imbalance and stuff like this, you know, like that's what we are looking for.
yeah, I think we will. It will give us that pullback.
Yeah, we just have to be patient. I mean, we have the 30 closure in a bit, and the 30 is closing very weak bearish. So that's also giving us signs. And also, what I really like to do also, and that's one of Kadir's favorite things, look at the wick and just measure out like how much it could retrace, like feel the wick, you know, like. And that works really nice with gold too.
A partial wick fill in that case.
Yes.
Because also if we look at it, we reacted almost perfectly from the 30-minute high.
Yeah.
From the previous 30-minute high, we rejected perfectly, like literally pinpoint. So if we can confirm that by having a pullback and a retest, and then we see the rejections
here, this level here. Guys, so you yeah, that's that one.
Exactly, I have it on the phone.
So you guys know what he means, like this purple line over here.
So at this point it's about patience. Just wait for the trade to come, don't rush into it, because at the end of the day we want to have a good risk reward. And also guys, if you enter right there in the middle of the range, you can't also put stops at break even or something. So ideally what you want to be able to do is put your stops at break even once price is breaking structure, whatever, to just be safe, you know. So yeah, if we wait for that tap, I think it can be a really nice entry.
Yeah,
just
in 30 seconds.
Patience. We waited this long, so we can wait a little longer. Yeah, maybe we can write something there about to get a buy or something.
Like buy area or something like this.
Yeah. Maybe in caps. So people so the people know that. So anybody who came new to the stream, guys, we're about to get in a buy. If you can see that pullback 30-minute candle close, let's reevaluate the 30-minute candle really quick. Really nice. What I would love to see, the candle pushing down with no top wick.
As it doing now.
It's too light. Let's put that. Let's do it a bit darker, bro.
This here?
Yes, please. Yeah, a bit more maybe. Yeah, perfect. And the 1 minute imbalance, maybe just a tiny bit. Okay. Yeah, 30-minute candle open with no top wick, guys. So let's pay attention. Let's focus here.
Yeah, we will say when we are in a position, guys. Like,
we didn't enter just yet. I mean, I would also love to enter because it may not give that pullback, but I can. You know, we can't just enter based off of emotions, based off of FOMO. We can't do that because we are looking for a bunch of things over here, for risk reward, for so many things, you know. So I can't just use a 80 pips stop loss over here. We can't do that. So yeah, I'm sorry bro about that. Just put that back. Yeah, at this point we have to just wait. But as far as now, it looks like it's pushing without us. Hopefully it gives us that pullback. It's just a waiting game at this point, man. Just a waiting game, just be patient. If price comes back for the pullback, it comes back, you know. If not, it's fine. And by the way, Hamza, the thing that you said on NASDAQ played out to the T. What's that?
Yeah, man, that's
We
really
could
nice.
maybe capitalize on that one also, but it's tough, you know.
These are stuff that we don't reveal like publicly, you know. That's part of our strategy also. Now just waiting. I think if we can fill into this imbalance on the 1 minute, then we can get a really good push up. Because I think there is still good volume, because every 1 minute is about 10-15 pips right now, and that's still very good. Like this one is 20 pips, so we still have volume in the markets. So that's why we just have to be patient and wait for our setup to present itself. Let's look if Powell, yes man, Powell is now has ended his speech. That's nice. So now everything is just technical.
Yeah, let's just wait patiently, guys. Let's wait patiently.
Yeah, around 23.17, but we will say it, guys. Maybe we'll just also like take a limit without the confirmation. It depends how it delivers.
Exactly, how it comes to the zone, because at this point, look at this.
Like you
so
don't
now the 30-minute candle did the top wick, and the 5-minute also broke the high, and now it's coming down. So now it's a bit, you have to be careful, you know, we can't just enter blindly. The 30-minute candle can also fill the wick, you know, so have to be mindful of that. Let's see in 30 seconds the 5-minute candle is about to close. 5-minute candle is about to close in 30 seconds. If we see the next 5-minute candle going down immediately with no top wick, then we can enter on that, and the 5-minute candle can become some sort of a pin bar, and yeah, continue pushing up. But we have to evaluate how the 5-minute candle will close.
Nice. So if we can drop just like this, the 5-minute closed to a very strong bearish, to be honest. So we'll probably wait for a confirmation. So I was also thinking about a limit entry here, but because of the closure on the 5, I think we can get maybe a deeper pullback. But yeah. Let's see. Evaluate will tell you guys if we enter in a position and when we enter. But obviously just do what you want to do. Like if it fits your plan, then you can also take that, you know, you have to evaluate that for yourself. Be mindful of that it's a entry based off the FOMC trend in general that we have seen, and a 30-minute and 1 hour actually also that we had with FOMC. That's also like what we are basing our analysis here also. And then this 5-minute imbalance, and also the 1 minute. So we have a lot of things stacked in our favor, but we are still waiting here because the 5-minute was very bearish. So I don't want to get caught in a big sell-off here.
It can be also a bull trap. That 5-minute pin bar bullish candle can be a bull trap, because now we are we also have a 5-minute engulfing bearish. So keep that in mind.
And also
guys.
with a high sweep.
Exactly, it swept the high, so we have a high sweep also on that. So it's really tricky at this point. That's why
nice on the 1 minute now, because we are kind of like
slowly,
consolidating, you know.
We are reacting from the imbalance. So let's see, let's be patient.
I think the market is offering a reversal. Yeah, that's what we are kind of looking for right now on the lower time frame.
An overall reversal that it drops.
I don't know, what do you mean box 3 LF?
You mean for shorts or for buys? Because we're looking for longs now at this point.
Yes.
Ideally, if we can see slowly rejecting this area with 1 minute engulfing candles, that would be perfect. That would be really nice.
But for now we're still printing small 1 minutes, and gold can also just rip through, man. I remember so many trades where you have like small 1 minute candles, you know, like very small, and then like a huge bearish 1 minute also. Just wait patiently. As I said, we don't have a limit order or anything right now.
Also, if you look at it, we had multiple break-off structures on the 1 minute bearish.
Yes, exactly.
And then retest, break-off structure, retest, break-off structure, retest, break-off structure, retest, dropping, pullback, dropping, keep on dropping.
So it can still like go again like this, you know. So that's why you have to be aware of this. But we don't only like look at this, we also have this here.
Exactly.
So that's why we are looking for a buy, you know, like that's the whole purpose of looking for a buy here. Because if you would just see this bearish trend, obviously you would not want to buy this. But if you have this here in the back of your mind, then obviously that's giving you some kind of confirmation. So I'm just looking. Yeah, we did not respect the 1 minute for now.
30 seconds for the 5 minute closure. As of now, no buy just yet. That's why we don't enter without confirmations, guys. See how it's dropping?
Yeah, yes, exactly. And that's what I mean, like small, and then a huge 1 minute bearish candle.
This is the thing, guys. So look, if it would have tapped the supply perfectly, we would have been able to sell it.
Yeah.
But both, like NAS and gold, they just reacted like 20-30 points shy from the supply, you know. So just be patient. We're still waiting for the buys. So the 5 minute candle closed really strong bearish now at this point.
And the second one just now swept the low and flipped bullish and just pushing right now, but it's in the first 30 seconds, guys, so that's very risky. Let's wait at least for the 1 minute to close to further elaborate this. So we closed below the imbalance. Let's see, seems we might go for the 23.10 retest. Yeah, that would be perfect. That would be really perfect, rough crew. Let's see if we can get that. But yeah, NAS is melting. Yes, it's kind of melting. That would be like a perfect entry. But as we said, guys, like if you guys want us to take this these trades for like low risk, like with targeting low-hanging fruits and stuff with small stops. That's obviously no problem for us, but you have to kind of elaborate.
I think me and Hamza, we will brainstorm about this a little bit, have a meeting about this, and we may start doing this, going half risk and getting these 1 minute entries. But of course the win rate will be low on those trades, so don't go full margin on those trades. But if you look at it from like 100 trades perspective, it will prevail itself. So at this point, still I think most likely gold will keep on dropping and get some. Yeah,
Rough Crew, a very interesting idea actually. We could track A+ setups and B or worse separately, and then see B setups for engagement, A+ for profits. That's nice, and we also hit the 30 likes on the stream. That's really nice, guys. Just waiting patiently. Actually, a really good idea, but I mean.
But what did we say, guys? What did you say? If you look also at NAS and stuff, what did you say? Like you go up so fast, you can also drop really fast. So this is what it's all about. And also, actually, I just checked it. That supply I had drawn before on US 30. If you go to US 30, bro, it reacted perfectly. So funny enough, just go to the 5 minute maybe really quick, bro. We had a perfect setup actually on US 30, like a really good setup, like with proper retest and everything, even with a 5 minute engulfing bearish and all of it. Man, really good setup, because this one US 30 actually tapped the supply, so that was really a valid setup. But we just don't check US 30 that much anymore, so I didn't keep track of that.
Box free LF Euro USD is discounted. Look for possible sells. I don't know, bro. We don't trade forex. I just looked. Yeah, it's selling off as gold is selling off right now, also because of a bullish dollar index. Twice great setup. Yes. Yeah. I mean, this is the thing, guys. Like. If we are not streaming, we can 100% focus on our own trading, you know. But with the streaming, we have to talk the entire time. Like we can't just like sit here with no cam, no sound, you know. That would be really boring for you guys. And with us talking and also trying to manage the trades, it's not easy, but we are trying our best. Like we have 100% win rate, so we are doing something right. Just kidding, obviously. But yeah, I mean, we will get used to it. It's no problem. It's no problem.
So we're about to have the closure, and it will be.
But now, Leonardo, we have a triple bottom, bro. Now we have a triple bottom.
But jokes aside, probably it will rip through and keep on dropping, because we have a nasty closure. A nasty closure on the 15 minute.
Let's see.
But you never know. You know, if the lower time frames are telling us.
Yeah, still respecting somewhat the imbalance, the 15-minute imbalance. And did not quite tap the high area again. Let's see if we I mean, this would also be nice, you know, like just what we said before, like this would be also pretty nice, because the 15 did not close below the previous one's low. So that's also somewhat an indication. And we have a doji 5 minute, and yeah, we are getting a partial wick fill here on the 5 minute, but that's not enough yet. We have to see at least some kind of break of structure, you know, like breaking this high, for example, you know, like closing above and stuff. So if you have this high here, yeah, like this, and now we have at least like an imbalance, you know, to work with. So if you can get a retest on that imbalance, we can maybe look to buy from there.
Also, NAS is not looking bad. Just retested the whole area, the whole breakout structure.
Yeah, it's pretty much looking almost the same as gold.
Just it has a deeper pullback than
Yeah.
gold, which is better, you know.
Exactly. Let's see. I mean, we're not gonna force anything here, guys. Like, we don't want to force anything here. If a setup comes, it comes. If not, it doesn't. So it doesn't really matter for us. We're here to make money, not to try to have like dopamine hormones pushing up or something like this, you know. Yeah, let's see. And also, like, the thing is, even though if you can get an entry here, if I'm looking now, we have 1 hour and 10 minutes for the daily closure. So I mean, yes, there can be some volume.
And guys, but I'm sorry to cut you off, Hamza, but what's this, guys? We're here live for 2.5 hours almost, taking time from our free time, missing trades, missing maybe a couple $1,000 here. I mean, I don't want to push that or something, but give some likes, guys. What's this? We have 30 likes. This is so bad. Like, let's push the likes up to 40 at least. We're taking our time here, valuable time. We're missing entries here and there, maybe, you know. We could scalp the 1 minute privately, really easy. So what's this, guys? Please, just show some support at least, you know, we would appreciate it. Like, because we at this point, it's almost 10 p.m. our time. So this is not a time that we would stream normally, you know. So, yeah.
Nice, so 5 minute will close in about a minute. The 5 minute doesn't look good, but the 1 minute respected the imbalance, but we need to see this candle now, what's gonna do. Guys, why no start trading on CTrader and you can share your strategy or trades, and for each winning trade you can make up to 30% from the followers, copiers, trades. I will definitely copy you there. No, we don't do that, man.
We can't even do that, bro. You're not allowed to do that. If you're trading prop firm accounts, because I used to do copy trading. Me and Joel used to do that actually. Not copy trading, but PAM. We had a PAM account quite successfully actually.
Like investors and stuff, you know.
Investors and stuff, but the problem is you can't do that with prop firms. If you do that, you get banned. So you can't do copy trading.
Nice, still respect.
But it would be a good idea. Maybe we can do it in the future. Once there is enough demand and there is enough capital that it's worth it, we can do it.
Yeah, that looks pretty nice actually on the 1 minute, but we still need to get some confirmations. Like we are respecting the imbalance, but we don't have confirmations yet, you know. Like it looks nice, but not good enough for an entry.
Also, we will have the 1 hour closure, so I wouldn't be surprised if the next 1 hour breaks the low and then starts pushing up, you know. But at this point, it's getting really risky, you know, to take trades, because if you look at the daily candle, if it closes the way it is, the next daily candle can easily be bearish also. Of course, it can be bullish if it pulls back first and then goes up. It can still be bullish, but I really don't like what I'm seeing because it's rejecting it so much, you know. And it can be just a heavy pullback before continuing going lower. But I would really like to see that push, because we have also on the daily like that huge imbalance up to all the way to 72, you know. So it really makes sense. It really makes sense, and we have also NFP. So yeah, at this point, you have to be really patient, because look at NAS, look at like it corrected the whole move. Man, that sell, Hamza, that you called was beautiful, man. I mean, if you would have taken that, even with as 0.5 entry, man, that would have made maybe 5%, 6%.
Yeah,
or
probably.
something. Yeah.
But it's alright.
It's alright. We will evaluate these things, and we might start to take these 1 minute entries, you know, but with lower risk, of course. You can't just hammer in like crazy lots on those type of entries, because you can get slipped so much, you know, and yeah, all of those kind of things. So yes, sir.
Like a whip through now.
Yeah, I mean, we were anticipating probably it will take out the low, and
then
especially if the
retest
next
here.
1 hour candle breaks the low, then we can maybe push that
was
up. But yeah, it's annoying, guys. I know some of you guys may be annoyed and frustrated. Man, waited 2 hours, didn't get a trade. But what can we do? You know, we can't force a trade and just lose it, you know, just for fun. Because we could have just said, okay, let's buy just for the dopamine. But what's the point in that? Look, it would have lost, you know. So let's be a bit patient, you know. Let's be a bit more patient. And yeah, so we have about like 1.5 minutes for this 5-minute candle to close, and at this point it's really tricky, really tricky.
What's fueling your bull bias, storming trades? What's fueling our bias is, I think you maybe missed that. It's because of this huge 1 hour. So the bias is for this 1 hour, or if you look like at the 4 hour, you have a huge wick still, and that can be filled because we are looking at a very strong push and then a very corrective move to the downside. Like if we would have had like this big of candles also going bearish, then obviously we would like to see like some kind of reaction from here, from the origin, you know, like, or even from here after taking out this structure here, you know. But right now it can still give us some action here to just whip through, maybe retest this area, because this area just only got tested here during the breakout. So maybe we can get a retest of this previous double tops, you know, like breakout of the range and stuff, and then maybe see some bullish structure forming and enter on that one. 120 I-2313 is holding well. No, will probably not hold very well. Gold will do this a lot. Give a reaction, and then a small reaction again, and then an enticement, you know, like see, also a break.
Guys, give us just a quick 5-minute break. We completely forgot about the prayer, so we have to pray really fast. Not really fast, but we have to pray. Give us 5 minutes, yeah? We'll be back in 5 minutes. Chachar will be here. Yürü bro, yürü.
Hello guys, we are back.
Yeah.
Sorry for the interruption. We had to go and
Yeah, we just prayed because we were about to miss the prayer and it was like 15-20 minutes left. So yeah, imagine what we go through here. Like we take the time for the stream. So give a like on the stream. But yeah, at this point gold is it's nice. Gold is dropping and it pretty much tapped the zone, but it looks like a whole reversal at this point.
wait, let's see.
But
Let's
no bottom wick,
let's
no top
look
wick.
at that. So yeah, no bottom wick on the 1 hour. We have this is the last hour of the day, guys. Keep that in mind. So if we are going to take a trade, it has to be a very high probability trade. And now what we are seeing is we are tapping into this 30-minute imbalance. We have the 15 here. So that's also interesting. And it's the first few minutes. So let's see. Yeah, Hasni says I think trade isn't coming up for sure. Let's call it a day and get back at it tomorrow. Man, Hasni, you are disciplined, man. Really not kidding. You won't see some kind of comment in most of the streams like this, you know. So yeah, we had the fake out over here.
I mean, 5 minutes is building up pretty nice, to be honest. 5 minutes is building up really nice. If we can get that pin bar,
Yeah,
can get really interesting now.
and that would also be, I think, like it looks like 61.8 or something like on the Fips, man. Let's see. Oh my goodness, man, we have look, we have this on record, man. With naked eyes, 61.8, man. Where are the good old Fib traders?
But the candle is really big, so ideally, if the next candle, maybe we can get even in on the next candle with a tighter stop. Let's see. Let's evaluate the closures. 30 seconds.
Let's see. So guys, if you are not comfortable with taking any trades, don't take a trade, just watch, be on the sidelines. I mean, that's not our first and will probably not be our last FOMC, so we don't really like have any issues if we don't take a trade or just take a loss here. So the 5-minute close, very strong. We love these kind of candles. But I would really want to see a small pullback on the wick to enter, because it's 43 pips.
The closure is not that clean, to be honest. Like it's a tricky closure, so we have to wait and see how the next 5 minute reacts. You know, I mean, at this point, even if you would enter right now, your stop would be 40-50 pips. 45 pips, 50 pips, it's huge, you know. So, but we have those 1 minute imbalances. So if we can get the pullback and see reactions from there, it would be really nice. Oh, what do you think, Hamza?
Yes, definitely. Like if we can get a pullback and some you know, like probable, you know, confirmations for a bullish setup, we can evaluate that, of course. Yeah, just waiting
It's
at this
going
point.
to hold till 9:45 UK. Got in at 23:08. Okay, you
Here.
just got in aggressively. Okay,
On the
nice.
flip maybe from this one.
If it's your plan, that's nice, bro. Just
I put my buy limit at 23:03 and let's see what happened. Wajdi Knani 23:03. Probably Trading Pilot will not like that. No, just kidding. Obviously, I'd like to see one more sweep of the low we just made in a pin bar and take off. On NAS 100, would the previous 1 hour imbalance around 17,620?
Yeah, I would also say that that's a good,
good
from
short
Rough Crew
entry.
is really good, because I don't trust this just yet, you know. If I see a proper build up, maybe even like you said, take out the low slightly and then reject from that hard. I would love that really much more, because remember guys, we have only 1 hour for the daily closure left, and I don't like this actually. We don't trade the last hour of the day. Can be really random, so we will not force anything, you know.
Nice Trading Pilot, you also banked some profits, nice. Storming trades, I think you missed that. I called this move actually from here, from this line over here on NAS, and yes, that was within that 1 hour imbalance. But we did not execute on this one, but nice to see that it worked out. So maybe next time we can see and evaluate if we can take that again. I think it's a high probability with the 0.79 FIB level and the 15-minute imbalance. Yeah, you know, yeah, that's also really nice. I was just kidding. It's all actually a really good area. Trading Pilot, yes, congrats again on that win. You made probably, like, if you had your stop here somewhere, you had, yeah, 1 2 3 already. Yeah, nice. Yeah, let's see. I mean, it's good that we are kind of consolidating over here, because maybe we can just see some volume with the next one, you know, because you don't want to execute when there's no volume.
But now we have the second 5 minute, and the second 5 minute is way smaller. Let's see how it will close. I close majority of my profits at my SL, so PE, worst case scenario. Yeah, that's good, bro. It's a good condition to be in. And the 5 minute candle close with no top wick, yeah. It's whatever at this point. I think.
Yeah, I mean, that NAS trade would have been very beautiful, man. Just like a very nice drop, only like just consolidating here a little bit and then a complete whip through. That was very nice to see. But yeah, obviously, if you can capture on the trade, you just have to reevaluate, and then next time maybe you do execute on it, you know. And that's actually how you become better and better with the 1 minutes and lower time frames and like setups in general. But yeah, we'll come back tomorrow. We'll probably start to take like some B setups also on stream, but we will tell you guys that it's a B setup or an A plus setup, and we will also tell you guys how much we are risking. So for example, if we say like it's an A plus, we risk 1. If it's an A, 0.75. If it's a B, we risk we risk 0.5. I think you got that one. So yeah, But we will tell you guys, but we won't take like anything lower than a B setup because it's not worth it, and we don't do that anyway.
I mean, and guys, only it's called B setup because it's on 1 minute, because actually also those 1 minute setups are A plus setups. I mean not A plus but A setups, but because it's 1 minute, it has a low win rate, so you might consider it as a B setup. But yeah, we have to slowly start it, because otherwise we're not gonna, like, we also lose money on this, you know, like every time in a session where we are missing our entries, we are losing money by not taking them, and these streams are not bringing us money, a monetary gain yet, you know.
Yeah.
So it's not worth it. It's not worth for us to stream and not miss out on all of these trades, because at the end of the day we live from these. We live from trading, you know. So we have to take trades and make money. That will keep the streams more interesting, I feel. Yeah, I mean, to be honest, bro, we can take 10 trades a day if you guys want, with breakout trades. Get 10 pips, you know. Yeah, but I don't know, I would feel weird, because that's not the way I trade, you know. It would be a bit of a hypocrisy, to be honest, because you can't do those things on a prop firm, because you would risk the daily loss limit and make maybe 0.5% or whatever, you know, and that's not good risk management. If you want to make money with these prop firms, you have to risk low, make more, you know, have a good risk reward. That's key. If you don't do that, you're not gonna make money from prop firms. The value is in the way you prep for a trade and wait for confirmation. That's gold.
Fun intended, yeah.
Fun intended, yeah.
Yeah, that's gold. That's a golden rule for trading gold. I get it. Rough crew. The Germans usually have a different kind of humor, but we get you, man. We have you. We have your back. Just kidding over here. But yeah, gold unfortunately just went without a retest of the imbalances. I mean, it did like come to the imbalance over here, but that would be still like a very big stop. So that would not really be worth it, because if you want to have like a good risk reward ratio, you would have to be like you would have to get like at least 70-80 pips from the entry. So yeah, but we will talk about this also tomorrow on stream, and then we will decide also and tell you guys if it's an A plus, A and B or B setup. And keep in mind, all of these setups have a certain win rate. So maybe, for example, the B setups have 60%, the A setups 70%, and the A plus 80% win rate. So keep in mind that maybe one day we'll have the loss, maybe one day we'll have a second loss, and maybe we'll have a win on the third day. So that's all gonna be normal, because also our P&L is not always in profits or something like this. Yeah, so don't think that we have like a 100% win rate. I think nobody on earth has some kind of win rate above 95% or something like this. But yeah, I think we can call it a day at this point. It's getting very late here. I mean, we could have gotten that entry on this 1 minute. That would have been very nice. We even got a retest of this area. But yeah, I mean, we'll evolve from here, I think, and the stream will also evolve from here, and we'll try to make the best out of the sessions, because as Kadir said, guys, it's very true. Like we have many accounts where we can trade on and make money, but obviously because we are on stream, we are missing out of a lot of opportunities because we don't take those B setups, you know. But those B setups, they add up very, very quickly, you know. And yeah, that's why we'll elaborate.
Adapt. We just new to this whole streaming thing. It is quite tough, to be honest, to look at the chat, talk, analyze, and then also evaluate. Okay, should we get in, whatever, you know. So it is not easy, but we will adapt, and we'll evolve from here. Like Hamza said, it's the first FOMC stream also, and we're just 1 week into this whole live streaming thing. And also remember this, guys, not that it's an excuse or something, but we could have taken the easy route and go for the breakout strategy thing, which I think majority of the streamers are doing. I have never seen any streamer having a good risk reward, to be honest. I don't remember any streamer with a good risk reward. Not that I'm bashing anybody, you know, but a majority of them have a negative risk reward with like 100 pips, 200 pips stop loss or whatever, I don't know, or 50 pips, 100 pips stop loss.
For example, here from this 15 minute, enter on the break of the high for 15 pips, and now
yeah, exactly, and then you're out,
stop
loss, break even, hit or whatever. But I don't know, this is not the way we trade, so it would be just a hypocrisy if we trade like that on stream, just to get a good stream going, you know, and have a bunch of trades, get the dopamine going and engagement and everything. Guys, no worries, what you are doing, streaming and trading, requires a next level of concentration, so take it easy. Exactly, yeah, it's tough, it's really tough, because also we're doing lower time frame, guys. Remember that. We're not like here taking trades on the 1 hour, 4 hour or something. That would be really easy, you know. But we're trading the intraday, and you have to be focused, man. At this point, my eyes are even burning, so I'm really drained in energy. We will call it a day, reevaluate everything, and most likely we'll start taking these lower probability setups also. I mean, not lower probability, but the win rate is just lower, you know.
like let's say 1 minute entries.
Yeah, let's say just 1 minute entry, because the win rate is lower, but we can deal with that. But if you guys can't deal with that, you will blow your accounts, you know. Yeah, we will start doing that, and yeah, hopefully goes well. See you guys tomorrow.
Thanks for your support,
anybody
guys.
Who didn't like or didn't subscribe, please subscribe. We took like 3 hours of our free time here, and also we didn't take a single trade, and we actually didn't take a trade. We can show you guys even the dashboards or whatever, you know. We didn't take a trade, and that actually annoys me a little bit, to be honest, because we make money from trading, so we have to get to trades, and it annoys me that we are missing.
Because it's also like affecting our win rate, because you because the playbook at itself, you have to get those wins to cover the future losses, you know.
Exactly.
And if you can't get those wins in and then have a loser, it affects the strategy and the statistics of the strategy.
Normally the stream starts NY Open, so 8 AM Eastern, and yeah, 2 PM GMT +1 Vienna time. We need a A+AB setups for this to work. Yeah, I mean, we can track them all separately also.
Yeah,
so I think that would be a nice idea. But anyways, guys, we will call the day now. At this point, it's getting too much. Thank you everyone who joined. Appreciate the support, guys. I would really appreciate if you guys can repost and like and share the things that we put on social media, so it's a bit worth it what we're doing, because we don't make any money from these streams. So just for everybody to know, we don't make any money from these streams. Even today's stream for some reason got demonetized. I don't know why they put a copyright thing. I don't know if it's because of the music, but I'm not sure. We have to evaluate that also. So yeah, please just support, you know. It's not hard. You just yeah, like the posts and everything, you know. and support on social media, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, YouTube and stuff like that. Anyways, have a nice evening and have a blessed day. See you guys tomorrow, NY session.
Take care, guys. See you tomorrow. Take care. Trade safe.